First thing, just head over to your settings. Scroll down until you find Apps. Tap on that. Now, instead of looking through the list, look way up at the top right corner. See those 3 little dots? Tap them. You'll see an option that says Reset App Preferences. Go ahead and select that, then hit Reset to confirm. And that's it. Now go back and try to open a PDF or a photo. You should see that Open With menu pop right back up like it used to. Now, if for some reason that didn't work, maybe your specific phone version is being a bit stubborn, there's a great plan B. There's this handy little app called Better Open With. Just pop into the Play Store, search for it, and get it installed. Once you open it, it's pretty straightforward. You'll see categories for everything. PDFs, images, videos, you name it. You just pick which apps you want to show up for each file type. It basically gives you back total control, just like the classic Android feel. It's simple, it's clean, and it just works. Anyway, I hope that cleared things up for you. If it did, honestly, a like or a sub would be awesome.